Hello ladies and gents, Ro here, and welcome to Normal Films. Today we're going to continue our iMovie tutorials, and in this tutorial we're going to cover how to export an iMovie 10.0.8, which is the latest version of iMovie as of today. And I haven't made an exporting video for a while regarding how to export in general, and I thought I would update the whole idea. So what we're going to do, once you have your event created, and within the event you have a project, and within that project you have a bunch of edited footage, and you're completely done and ready to export, what you're going to do is go to the very top right hand corner in iMovie where it says share. Go ahead and hit that share button, and in my personal opinion, I do suggest exporting to file. If you want to directly export to YouTube, you can do that as you please. You may run into some problems, like it might upload to the right channel, or it might just give you an error. If you want to just skip that entire hassle procedure, go ahead and export as file. And I'm going to show you guys this. A file exports directly to your desktop. So go ahead and select file. So share, file, and then go ahead and change your title to as you please. Your description as well. You can also change this later on as it's exporting, and then you can change your tags. And then video format, you can export as audio only if only you're trying to export the audio. And then also change the quality. Mine's going to be the highest quality, for example, right here, 1920 1080p, and quality high. You don't need to choose best ProRes. If you pay attention right here where it says 41.4 megabytes, if you go to best ProRes, it goes to 303 megabytes. This is only because it's actually not that big of a difference, because it's only 16 seconds long, my original footage here. But once you are, if you're doing like a 10-minute video, it'll be like 10 gigabytes, which is unnecessary. And I'm telling you right now, best ProRes is the same thing as high. If you're using 4K, for example, though quality, which iMovie doesn't quite officially support yet, then you'll probably want to export as best ProRes. But for example, go ahead and just use high, and that's the only one you need to use. You can go ahead and scroll through your footage right here, make sure you got all your footage within your clip, and you do not need to add a theater unless you want to basically share it and share it to your Apple TV, or you want to put it on another device. Then you don't need to worry about this. It says 16 seconds long, 41.4 megabytes, and then we got it all set here. We're gonna go to next to export. And it should let us choose a destination where we want to export this file. So we want to go straight to our desktop, and we're going to name Apple Weekly News Update 13. Actually, we're just going to name it Test Export. And right here, straight to my desktop, and go ahead and hit save. And you'll go up to the top right hand corner here in the progress bar. It'll show waiting, and then it'll change to, I believe, transcoding. Oh no, writing. Test export.mp4. 2 minutes. It'll go way faster than that because it's only a 16-second clip. And once it's exported, we'll be able to get a clip here. I mean, a notification. I'll go to my desktop because this is where it's going to go. As you can see here, it's already exporting. It might come up as two files at first like this, but it's just because it's combining them. And this file should disappear. So go ahead, don't delete it, don't touch it, just wait for it. The little confirmation screen saying that it's exported completely. As you can see here, it's going. I'm just gonna watch this. Should have been done by now, but for some reason it's running quite slowly. And it might be because I'm doing it 1080p as well. 16-second clip. So here we are. Give it a more second, 5 more seconds, 4, 3. And there we go. So you should be done. Wait for that notification to officially pop up. There we go. And we can either go show it or close it. And here we are. We just have the one file here. We can double click it to launch it in QuickTime and actually view the footage and make sure it's all just a test clip. From here you can go ahead and import it or upload it to YouTube. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this. You go ahead and you can either drag it and drop it, or click on that upload and it'll open up your desktop or open up your files at, and just go ahead and upload, and it'll give you a little uploading in progress bar. I'm actually going to cancel because I don't need that video. That'll be spam for all my subscribers. But that's just for uploading purposes and directions. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Be sure to leave any comments or questions in the comment section below. Also, I'll have a link in the description for you guys for a playlist of all my iMovie tutorials. Be sure to check that out. Thank you guys for watching, and later.
Let my life be the proof.